Ladies and gentlemen, here we are test riding the new Jetson worn 20-inch fat tire e-bike on a snowy day. There's about 1 or 2 inches of snow on the ground right now. Let's go. If you are new to my channel and would like to stay up to date with the latest tips and tricks for Amazon Fire devices and product reviews, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click on the bell icon for future notifications. Thank you so much. Let's see what this bad boy feels like. We're just gonna take it easy first because I am not sure what to expect, to be honest. Alright guys, here's a quick test ride on the Jetson worn on a snowy day. Let's go. Oh, wow. That slips easy, boy. That's worse than I expected, guys. Let's give this one more try. I guess once you get going, I'm going 7 miles per hour, 8 miles per hour, 9 miles per hour. There's about 1 inch of snow or so on the ground. Remember, the Jetson worn is a rear hub 750 watt motor. Very nice. So is it doable? Yes. Can you floor it? Definitely not, unless you want to lose control and fall. There you go, guys. Jetson worn on a bad winter storm. And when you brake, yes, braking does work good, not too bad. It's not perfect, but hey. This is fun riding in the snow, guys, as long as you don't have as long as you're not getting hammered with like 6 inches of snow on the ground. And as you can see, here's my trail. That's very interesting. I've been wanting to try this for months now, honestly. Actually feels good, something different, but I do prefer I do prefer the ground to be dry and not snowy, you know. But hey, this is just to test things out, you know, just to see what it's like. You definitely can't floor it up to 20 miles per hour, that's for sure. Otherwise you won't be having a good day. You will most likely fall and hurt yourself.